Everyone, I'm coming back another video. So this video I hope is gonna be interested. So as my passion is to create the strategy is to you to become more profitable. So this strategy I was testing in the long time, and to prove this strategy is working or not. So I was getting great results for this strategy. So let's do it, and then let's show you how it's work. Before uh, you start the work, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video to make this video is appear in the different people. So I will appreciate for doing that. So I want to do this strategy with this coin for its matic. So let's undo everything. So, and then after you undo everything, I will put it together. All the indicators needed, and I put it each and explain how it's work and put it for this strategy. We use the ratio for 1 is 1.5 ratio, so it's working perfect if you're doing that. So let me undo everything, and then I put it with you together, and then I will explain each indicator how can I help you to make this strategy become more profitable. The first of all, go to indicator tab if you don't know how to use a TradeView. So I'm using the free version of TradeView. Nothing you're supposed to pay for this strategy. And then don't forget to use my referral link on below on the Bybit to open the account to trade cryptocurrency. So the Bybit I recommend because of its lower trading fee. So let's put the first indicator, that indicator. Let's search together. You choose this indicator. So for my back test, is nothing was supposed to change, no pictures are supposed to remove on this indicator. So you use this indicator forget the trend of the market. So if the all candlestick is breaking on the below of these clouds, you're supposed to take sell. If the candlestick is blowing the green cloud, you're supposed to go long. So if you see that time I'm busy to test this strategy and check how it's profitable. That's all for this indicator. So you're supposed to get the another confirmation, because this one you use like you get the trend of the market, but you need another indicator, because I'm putting three all indicator to trade to make this strategy. So let's put another indicator. I'm taking a super trend indicator. So this indicator is very interested. So let me change some pictures to become more accurate as in the original. I'm going to indicator tab, and then you go to the setting, you uncheck all the stuff, you leave the buy and sell only, because it's that thing I need, but all of the stuff you uncheck. So I'm only need buy and sell. So let's go to input and change the 10. I'm putting 20. I'm changing. I'm putting the close all the indicator. It's why it my side now. So I'm only following the sell signal. So if I've got the sell, but that cell is on top on the green, ignore that signal, because it's become fake signal. but look this one, I'm getting the buy, but the candlestick is on top of the green. I'm take a long the long position. As you say, I'm getting the short position, so I'm waiting the candlestick. If it's become below of this cloud, I'm taking the sell position. I'm using only this if I've got a signal, but it's not enough. I'm supposed to get another confirmation for this strategy to become more accurate. So I'm take this indicator is calling angle attack flowing line. So I'm take this indicator, and then I'm changing some setting. I'm not need all the stuff it appear, but I'm only need the few setting. So let's doing together. Let's change here input. I'm putting 50, and I'm go to the style. I'm uncheck all the. I'm leaving angle flow line only, but I'm uncheck everything to become this indicator useful. I'm I'm uncheck everything. So to become with you this video. So I'm only change this to put the green here, and then I'll leave the red like that. So this indicates how it's work. So I'm waiting for this. I'm get the signal by, and then is on top of this green of this cloud, and then I'm getting the green here. So it's ready for taking the long position. But I'm getting the sell indicate signal, and then I'm waiting to become uh, below of this cloud, and then this indicators confirm that signal is valid. I'm take the short. So this indicator, it's look like it's more accurate, so I'm taking all the trade. If that ignore if the these indicators become the straight line, like this straight line, I'm avoid those signal appear on the chart if that is like that. But if the indicator is showing me pushing down or pushing up, I'm follow those signal. Let me check the strategy how it's work if I'm using on the crypto on the forex. So I'll let me check on the euro USD, but I'm using this I'm creating this video on the weekend day, so the market is already closed. But you see this strategy, it's working on the board at the market. You can use this strategy on cryptocurrency and forex and even index. You're gonna use this strategy. It's working perfect. Don't forget, guys, subscribe on this YouTube channel to make this channel is become growing more and more and more. So, guys, like on my video and comment below, and tell us to improve our channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you support.